So you got sick and tired of loading screens and got yourself a new SSD for Christmas. Here's how to set it up. Number one, plug it in. The process is simpler if you are on a laptop because there are only a few places an SSD will go. If you have a desktop, you would need some extra screws for mounting and then an extra SATA cable to connect the drive, or if it's M.2, use that. Once connected, you boot up your PC and bam, everything is faster, right? Wrong. Brand new drives need to be initialized and partitioned. Here's how to do it, and these are the settings that I recommend. Open up Disk Management by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Disk Management. Then look for the drive that should generally be black in color and is labeled here. It should say unallocated space and a certain capacity depending on what size the SSD you bought. Now don't panic if the size is a little bit less than what you paid for. That's a problem with how storage is advertised in general rather than you being scammed. Now right click on the unallocated space, create new simple volume. If the disk isn't initialized, you can select GPT, which is the modern faster variant of MBR, which is more of a legacy version. So spam the next button until it goes away. But seriously, you can change names and create multiple partitions if you need them. But who uses multiple partitions in 2021? Please let me know in the comments below. I need to have a word with you. Folders, by the way, they exist. That's it. Now if you go to this PC screen, you should see your new drive. In my case, I'm using a flash drive for demonstration purposes because I don't have a brand new SSD on hand, but the process remains exactly the same. If you have a question or concern or are having trouble setting up your SSD for gaming, let me know down in the comments below. You can even join Discord for a more hands-on, faster help. Anyway guys, smash that like button if this video helped you. Consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.